How to buy coin on Trust Wallet using debit card. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy coin on Trust Wallet with debit card. To do so, first you'll need to open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged in. Use your passkey to log into your account, and once you reach to this section, here you will find Buy button. Tap on this buy icon right here and now select the crypto you'd like to purchase. Here I'm going with Bitcoin. Tap on this BTC right here, and once after selecting the crypto, you will need to specify the amount you'd like to purchase. After that, here you will find Pay with Credit Card option. Tap on this option and here you will be presented with various options. But unfortunately, you will not be able to see debit card from here, as debit cards are not supported in Trust Wallet. When you tap on this arrow facing downward next to credit card, you will find Google Pay, credit card and bank transfer. Here you will not be able to see debit card option. But what you can do is Google Pay accepts debit card. So you can link your debit card to your Google Pay account, and then from there you can make the purchases. For that you need to select Google Pay here and make sure you have linked your debit card with Google Pay. After that, at the bottom you can choose one of these provider, and once doing that, now tap on this buy with Google Pay, and then you need to follow the prompts to complete the necessary verification. Once the payment is confirmed, the purchased crypto will be credited to your Trust Wallet account. You can go back to see your wallet to see your newly purchased crypto. So by following these steps, you should be able to buy coin on Trust Wallet using debit card. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.